Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I will explain you exercise 6.4 in that question number 5. So squares and square roots, exercise 6.4 in that question number 5. Already I have explained you question number 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this video, I will explain you question number 5. So let us see the question. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtain. So first we have to obtain the number which would be added to this number so that we should get the perfect square. After that again we have to find the square root of that number. Okay friends? So let us see here. In that first one is 525. So already you know that how to do the division method. If you don't know, again I will explain here. Not to worry. So question is 525. 525. So first you have to find the square root of this number with the help of the division method. So make a pair from the right side. One pair and this is one pair. So we have to take which number is in the first pair. So only 5 is there. If you take here 1 ones are 1, it is small. So if you take 2 twos are 4. So you can take here 2 twos are 4. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4, you will get 1. Friends, next we have to take this pair. Don't take single digit, take a pair. So it becomes 25, 125. So this number should add here and we will get here 4. Now see here, if you take here 1, 41 ones are 41, it is a very small number. If you take 2, 42 twos are, let us see, 42 into 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So 84 is small, so just check with 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. It is big. So which number you have to take? 2 only, 42 twos are 84. So 5 minus 4 it becomes 1. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. 4. Carry 1. 1 minus 1. 0. So we got here 41. So now we got here 22. Means already remainder is 41. So it is confirmed that 22, when you do 22 square, that number is less than 525. It is smaller than 525. So which number we have to add? So you have to take the next number. Means 22 means we have to take 23 square. So what will be the 23 square? You can do a 23 into 23. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. So what answer you got here? It's 529. Now we have number here 525 in question. So if you subtract 525 from 529, we'll get 25. We'll get one number here. 529 minus 9 minus 5, it becomes 4 only. 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 5 0. So we got here 4. So we got now which number must be added. Which number must be added to this number to get a perfect square. So if you add 4 to this number, 525 plus 4, what you will get? 529. So this is the answer. Again, what is the square root of this one? 529. The answer is 23. So 4 must be added to this number to get a perfect square. And again, also find the square root of the perfect square. We got a perfect square. What is the square root? 23 is the square root. So this is the method how to do. Students, one more time I will explain this one so that next sum we can do quickly. See here, first they will give one number. It is not a perfect square. We have to find one number. That number, when we add it to this number, we should get a perfect square. Okay students, now we have to follow the division method. We did here division method. and these steps you know that already. 2 2s are 4 because we have to take this number was smaller than this number. After that we get here 22. So we have to take square of this next number, means that is 23 square. After that 23 into 23 we got here 529. If you subtract this number 529 minus 525, then you will get one number. That number must be added to this number to get a perfect square. Again, after that, what they have explained here, also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtained, we have obtained here 529 and square root of that is 23. Friends, this is the first question. Let's go for the second in the same question. Let's go for the second question, that is 1750. So do the division method first. 1750. So make a pair of 2. Okay. Now start with any number. So if you take it 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, so 4 4s are 16. We can take nearest number. 10 1 6 1 0. So take down here is 50. Then add here 4. We got here 8. Okay. If you take 81 ones are 81, it's small. If you take 82 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 8s are 16. It's greater than this, so we can take 81 ones are 81. So 10 minus 1 9, carry 1. 15 minus 9 6 0. So we got here 41. So if you do 41 into 41, that number is smaller than 1750. So what number we have to take? We have to take next of this. Means greater than 42. We have 41. Okay. Greater than 41 is 42 only. So we can take here 42 square. What is the 42 square? So multiply here 42 into 42. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So we got here 1764. Okay. Now in this 1764 we have to subtract this number 1750. Students, let us see here 4 minus 0, 4 only. 5, 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 14. So to make this number as a perfect square, we have to add 1750 plus 14. We have to add 14. So 1764. Again, we have to find the square root of this 1764. Not need to find again this one because we have already did the multiplication. So we can write here directly 42. Friends, this is about second question. Let's go for the third question. So students, let's go to question number 3, that is 252. So first do the division method, make a pair. So 1 1s are 1, 2 minus 1, 1, take 52 down. So add here 1. Okay. Now if you take here 1, it's very smallest number, 2 also small, 3 also small. You can try with 25. 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12. So 26 you try. 6 6s are 36, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. So it is big number, so take this one 25 5s are. So while taking this, while deciding this number, we have to do multiplication in the rough and check that. Okay, students, now 25 5s are 125. Now 12 minus 5 becomes 7, carry 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So if you do 15 square, that number is smaller than 252. So which number we have to take? The next number of this 15 means that is 16 square. So 16 square, if you know, you can take directly Otherwise, you can do again in you can multiply in rough. So 16 square is 256. I will write here. Now I will multiply and I will check. 6 6 are 36. 6 1 are 6 plus 3 9. 1 6 are 6. 1 1 are 1. So 6 and plus 6 15. 256. So 256 we got here. From 256 we have to subtract the quotients 252. So 2 5 2 5 same, 6 minus 2 4. So to make this number as a perfect square we have to add 4. Which number we have to add? We have to add 252 plus 4. It becomes 256. So after that we have to find the square root of this again, 256. Here 16. So this is the third answer. Let's go for the fourth question. So let's see question number 4. That is 1825. So make a pair here. So 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is you can take here, 4 4 is 16 because it is the nearest number. You can say 6 is 2 0. So take the next number down, 25. So add this one here, it becomes 8. So 82 to the 164. So check here 82 and 83 you check. 83 also you can check because the nearest number 3 3 is 9, 3 is 24. So it is big, so you can take this one here. 82 to the 164. 5 minus 4 1. 12 minus 6 6. Carry 1 0. So here if you multiply 42 into 42, definitely you will get smaller than this number because the remainder is there 61. So what you can do now? We have to take the next number, means 43. 43 into 43 means we have to do the square of the 43. So 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 4 was 16 plus 1 17. 8 1 1849. So you got here 43 square is equal to 1849. Now what we can do? We have to subtract this number from the 1849. So 9 minus 5 becomes 4. 9 minus 5 4. 4 minus 2 2. 8 minus 8 0. 1 minus 1 0. So what is the answer? 24 is the answer. Means to make 1825 as a perfect square, we have to add 24. Difference. Now after this, now we got 1849. Now again we have to find out the square root of this. This is 43. Not need to find again this one. You already know that you did multiplication here. So we can write 43. Difference. This is the fourth question. Let's go for the last question in the question number 5th. So last question of the main question 5th, that is 6412. So find this with the help of the division method, make a pair. So 64 already it is a square number, so directly you can take the 8 is a 64. So take down here 12. So what we have to add here? 8, 16. So the number is big and this is small. So what you can do? 0. 160 0 is a 0. What is the answer? We got here 80 and remainder 12. So if you multiply 80 into 80, definitely we will get the number smaller than this one given question. So what we will do with the next question? That is next answer. That is next number is 81. So we have to multiply 81 into 81 now. So 1 1 is 1, 1 8 is 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 is 64. 1 8 plus 8 16, 4 plus 1 5, 6. So we got here 6561. Okay. In this, if you subtract this one, so we got here 81 square, 6561. So if you subtract 6412 from this number, 6561 minus 6412. So 11 minus 2, 9, carry 1, 6 minus 2, 4, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4, 1. So what we got here? 149. So to make this number as a perfect square, what number we have to add? 6412 plus 149. Then we will get 6561. Again, what we have to do? We have to do the square root of that number. Square root of 6561 is equals to 81. Directly we can write this number. Okay friends, I hope you all understood this one. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share to others. In next video I will come with next question. Thank you.